girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. We do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. On my mind, I passed my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong
I made her ask for love. All her baby bought she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can't hit my phone, you need some. Don't stick around, she say, you can't hit my phone, you need some.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Recool hair. I'm reviewing this piano highlight type of unit. It is like a black with a like platinum blonde kind of highlight to it, and this is a 13x4 lace front unit. I absolutely love the lace in this unit. I think they did a really good job, and I kept it very simple today. I just did a simple middle part with a little bit of baby hair right here, and I did pluck this unit, you guys. As far as customizing goes, I also bleached the knots on this unit, and I also washed the hair and everything like that. This unit is 22 inches long. I'm not mad at the length at all, and as far as the density goes, this density is 180%, which is the perfect density. That's usually like my go-to. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. This is how it turned out. I really do like the highlights in it. You can actually see them because I had a highlight unit that I did not too long ago from another company, and it just kind of all blended in as one, and then it just looked like a brown ombre and didn't really give like the chunky highlights that I wanted to give. Another unit that I had, they put highlights in it, but they were so small in the front that you could barely even see that there were highlights in it. So I like the fact that in this unit you can definitely see the chunky highlight pieces, you know, and depending on how you move the hair around, you can have either thicker highlights or thinner ones. It's really up to you. So this is what it's giving, and the lace on this unit is so good. You guys see this lace? Like, this lace is fire. I'm not sure what kind of lace this is, but you guys know I will definitely leave it down in the description box. But yeah, the lace on this unit is really, really good. I really do like it. It melted perfectly. Like, it just looks so good. You know, your lace really matters, especially if you don't want to have to do baby hair. If you're just like a baby hair free kind of girl, then you want to make sure that your lace melts properly, and this lace definitely did that exactly. And to adhere this unit today, I did use the Ebin lace adhesive spray in the red can. I believe that's the firm hold or active firm hold. I'm not exactly sure, but you guys know which can I'm talking about. And all in all, I think this hair is great. So let's get into the cons for this unit. The con that I have with this unit is the fit. The fit on this unit is definitely on the bulkier side. As you guys can kind of see here, like the unit kind of sticks out a little bit in the back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it kind of comes out and down. Like, it's like a boop boop. It's not just like flat and down, like, because there's a lot of extra fabric back here for me, and it's because I do have a smaller head, but it's also like the placement of the adjustable elastic band. Like, I like the fact that they put an adjustable elastic band in the unit, but it's just the placement of it makes it a little bit weird because they put it in a spot that like it tightens the unit, but only in the back. So like the front of the unit, I had to kind of like finesse it to make it actually lay down properly. So I would just say, like, I would change the placement of it. But what I will say is that this is a true 13x4 lace frontal unit, which you guys know is very rare. It's very rare that you get a unit like this because it does have a lot of parting space on it. So that's one thing that I really do like, and I am going to show you guys right now what the parting space is giving. So here on the side, like, the part goes back here, and I do have hairspray on the top, so it might be a little bit hard for me. The other part goes way back here, all the way in the front. So if you wanted to, you know, you have a lot of space here. The tracks start way back here, which is rare because, you know, a lot of times the tracks be like all up in here. So you get a decent amount of parting space on this unit, and I really do like that this is a true 13x4 lace frontal, because you guys know a lot of the units that I get, when they say that they are like a lace front unit, it's usually like one of those horseshoe units, and it's not really giving. Then I am gonna stand up so you guys can see where it's hitting me in the back and give you a cool little 360 of the unit. So Like I said, this is where it's hitting me in the front. This is where it's hitting me on the side. And then in the back. It might be a little bit frizzy, but you guys get the point. So that's what it's giving, but it looks a lot longer. Every time I put my hair all in the back, it just looks longer than what it is. But yeah, 22 inch, and I am 5'2" for reference. That's what it's looking like from the side. So it's actually not bad. Like for a 22 inch, I think this is actually pretty good. So I would say if you do have a small head, make sure that you do order the correct size. If you do need to like have a snug fit, just make sure that you do order a small. If you're a medium, order a medium. If you're large, make sure you order your size, because not all units are one size fit all, in my opinion. Even if you do put the elastic band in there, because a lot of people, you know, like if you have like a larger head, this probably wouldn't be an issue for you. You probably would feel like this is the perfect fit. But if you're someone like me who has a smaller head, you would just have an issue with it just feeling like it's a little bit bulky, and that's just my own personal issue. But like I said, everyone is different, but all in all, I really do like this unit. I love the color job that they did on here. I think it's very pretty. I like the quality of the hair. It's not like shedding all over the place or anything like that. And once again, I cannot stress enough how amazing this lace is. Like, let's get back into that. The parting space is nice and deep. It's a true 13x4. You're definitely gonna get your money's worth with this unit. And Recool actually had a lot of great like free goodies as well, which I really appreciated, because you know, I love getting those free goodies in my packages. Like that's like, it's just like an extra incentive to the package. So yeah, we love that. We love the color. It's so pretty. But they did a really good job. And I like the fact that it's not like harsh. They blended it really nice. Like I just really like this colorway. And I haven't done something like this in a while, because I typically just review like natural colored hair. Like, so I really like when I can get a unit like this that's just a little bit more unique. And they just did all in all an amazing job with this unit. If you're interested in checking this unit out and you want to give it a try yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Recool Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. You guys are the best, and I really do appreciate every last one of you. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.